What's the meaning of camel hair? Camel hair. Camel hair.
Camel hair. Camel hair. Camel hair is a type of fiber obtained from the fur of the Bactrian camel. The hairs are long and soft, and are typically used to produce high-quality textiles, particularly for coats, suits, and other garments. These fibers have a unique combination of warmth and breathability, which makes them ideal for use in cold climates. In addition, camel hair is highly durable and resistant to wear and tear, which allows garments made from this material to last for many years with proper care. Overall, camel hair is a valuable natural resource that has been used for centuries for its excellent quality and versatility.